You weren't just created by God. You were chosen. Not after you became perfect. Not after you cleaned up your life. But before you ever knew His name. He knew you. And He loved you. Before you were born. He saw every moment of your life. Every high, every failure. Every time you'd turn away. And still, He chose the cross. Not out of obligation, but out of love. Because His heart beats for you. He didn't die for the righteous. He died for the broken. He died for the forgotten. He died for the ones who thought they weren't worth saving. That's why grace isn't earned. It's given freely. And the only thing you have to do is receive it. You think you're too far? You think you've made too many mistakes? Let me tell you something. There is no sin greater than His mercy. There is no past that can cancel His promise. He doesn't just forgive. He restores. He rebuilds. He renews. All He's waiting for is a whisper from your heart. A simple, Jesus, I need you. And when you say it, He runs. He embraces. He heals. Because the cross was not the end of the story. It was the beginning of yours. Come back to Him. You were never forgotten. You are still chosen. And you are still loved.